Hello, I am Rupa Pandit. I am presenting here some practice programs in Python set-wise. These programs are done in action mode so that you can see the syntax and the way of executing them, and slowly these videos are going to show you how to plan programs with the logic and the syntax and doing bigger work. Okay, so please look ahead for the sets of programs one by one, and I hope they come to your use. Okay, here comes the first set of 5 simple programs which are going to mainly show how the syntax in Python is laid. Now, whenever a program is done, the most important for the beginners is identification of input. This input keyword is the first identification needed to understand what to calculate and what to print, as a program can work with unknown values. So whatever value you will supply, against that value the calculation will be done and the printing will be done. Right. So the first question comes here as Anas went to buy a big cake and wanted to divide it in 5 friends. Input the weight of the cake in W. Calculate and print how much will each friend get. This means the weight of the cake is unknown. Whatever is the weight of the cake, they have to divide it in such a way that everyone gets a uniform cake. The weight received by each friend is uniform. So the formula will be W by 5. That means the friend's share is calculated with the help of the formula W by 5, and the W is a variable which can be anything. That means it has to be input, right? So I will show this answer and then I'll go to the next question. Wait. Here comes the first Python screen when you open Python. So you need to download Python from the internet. Python itself has a website. From there, once you install Python, you will get to see my version is 3.8.4, and this is the first shell from where I have chosen the type of taking a file, because when you take a file, then you don't have to run single instructions, because in this mode, you can even run single instructions one by one. I have chosen the file form in which you can write a full program and then compile it and then execute it. So see, your bookish knowledge is going to stay for reading, is there for your reading. But here in these videos, I'm going to show you the practical application in a faster form. I'm not giving too much time on explaining line by line each and every detail of what the syntaxes are, because once you start doing the action, then I think syntaxes get inside the head faster, right? Now I'm going to show the first question that I read just now, which is here. Anas went to buy a cake. I remember the program question. You can pause the video or go back a little bit and then read the question once again and then come back here in this time 3.39 and you can see how the program is happening. Okay. To start the first program, you use the symbol hash, and this will make the rest of it as command. So rest of it is comment. So the rest of it will not get executed, right? So the hash is like calculation of share, right? Then I will come to the syntax. Now I'm going to write the program, just now type it, and then I'm going to show you how the work has been done. Okay, here it is. Now I just wrote it within few seconds and I'm showing you the working. Weight, that means W, the variable W. Now this is the syntax that whatever input you take, that you convert to integer. What is the meaning? It means that this is going to take something from the user, from the console. That means the output mode. From there, from this window, then whatever value comes in, that is in string form, that will be converted to integer, that will go inside W. That will be divided by 5 and that will go inside F, and share of each friend is F. Now I'll show you the output. You see, I just ran the program. How did I run the program? I'm going to show you once again. Enter the weight of the cake, 250. Share of each friend, 50. Now I'm going to do some minor modifications. Let enter the weight of the cake in grams, grams, right? And share of each friend F is, each friend is equal to F grams, grams. Now I'll save it. To save it, I have to either go there and say, I give this a name, set 1, 1. That means the first program of set 1. I save it, and after that I can go to run, and I run it. Okay. When I run it, you see the output has come. Enter the weight of the cake in grams. Can you see that? Then here if I now enter 600, right? Then if I press enter, you will see share of each friend is 120 grams. Okay. Now, this small video is only up to the first program's introduction. Then I'll come with one by one. I don't want to make the videos very long, so I'll make the short videos one after another. Okay.